Jai Hind students, welcome back in your maths class. Today we will start table of 6. As in the last class we have done table of 5 and skip counting of 5. Today we will start table of 6 and skip counting of 6. Let me start. What is the date today? 18th of July. (2020). And what is the day today? Saturday. You will note down this work in your notebook. Okay? Write T A B L E, table of 6. Table of 6. 6 into 0. 6 zeros are, जब हम 6 को 0 में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो क्या आता है? 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos का मीनिंग क्या होता है? 6 और 6. 6 को 2 टाइम्स लेना. 6 twos are 12. 6 into 3. 6 threes are. 6 threes are means 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 को जब हम 3 टाइम्स काउंट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. You will learn this table and we will repeat again table of 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. You will note this table in your notebook and you will learn also. Now we will do skip counting by 6. Now you will start skip counting. Skip counting by 6. How we can do skip counting by 6? How many times you will jump to reach on number 6? Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. From number 0 and you want to reach number 6. How many times you will jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 to 6. Skip counting by 6. You will jump 6 times and you will reach on number 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times you will jump? 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11 and 11 to 12. After 6, you will reach number 12. Like this, we will start skip counting by 6. Write A. Number 6. Then 12. How many times? 6. After 6 you will go to number 12. 18. Now you will count which number will come here. 18, 18 to 19, 20, 21, 23, 24. Again 24 to 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. B part. 1, 7, 13. Now you will count again. Which number will come here? By skip counting by 6. According to the skip counting by 6. 13 to 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19. After 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, then 25. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 19. Then 19. 19 say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6. 25. C part. 25, 30, 1, 37. Now you will tell me which digit will here. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, then 43. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, then 49. Now B. 50, 2, 58, 64. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, then 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, then 76. E part. 61, 67, then 73. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, then 79. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. F part. 76, 82, 88. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, then 100. 100. These are the skip counting by 6. Okay? You will do this work in your notebook. Once again, we will revise table of 6. Quick revision. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. You will complete your work table of 6 and skip counting by 6. Now we will meet in next class. Okay.